Welcome. Today in this video we will see TSTET 2022 mathematics questions held on 12 June 2022. 91. When measurements of two diagonals are given, then the quadrilateral that can be constructed is option 1 trapezium, 2 rhombus, 3 rectangle, 4 parallelogram. A rhombus can be constructed uniquely if both diagonals are given, and the same is given in the question for us. Two diagonals are given, so answer for this is rhombus. And a parallelogram can be constructed uniquely if both its diagonals and angle between them are given. Now next one, 92. The adjacent angles of a parallelogram are x degree and 2x plus 30 degrees. Then the greatest angle of the parallelogram is. And we know that in a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, sum of the angles is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus 2x plus 30 is equal to 180. So if we solve this, what we will get? We get x as 50 degrees. Now let's find all the angles now. X is 50 degrees, so 2x plus 30 is equal to 130 degrees. So they have the greatest angle, so greatest angle is 130 degrees. Now 93. Choose a shape having unlimited number of lines of symmetry. So unlimited lines of symmetry will be there for circle. 94. Mean of 10 observations is 38. If one observation 56 is excluded, then the new mean is. So what is given? Mean of 10 observations is given as 38 and one observation, that is 56, is excluded. Excluded means removed. Then what is the new mean? So we know what is the mean? Sum of the observations by total number of observations. So if we consider the sum of the observations is x by total 10 observations, by 10 is equal to 38. So x we will get it as 380. Now what they are saying, from that one number 56 is excluded. So from the sum of the observations 380, if we remove that 56, then we'll get 324. Now the total number of observations are 9. So new mean will be 324 divided by 9, that is 36. Option 1, 36. On 95, choose the incorrect statement. 1. Median is affected by extreme values. 2. There may be more than one mode for the given data. Mode is the most frequent observation of the given data. Median represents the middle value of the distribution arranged in either ascending or descending order. So from this, if we see the first one, median is affected by the extreme values. Median means what we do? The center one. So now if two numbers are there, we make the average, other the center one. So will it be affected by extreme values? No. So that is incorrect and remaining all are correct. Now next, 96. The volume of a cuboid is 1296 meter cube. If its length is 24 meter and its breadth and height are in the ratio 3:2, then the breadth and height of the cuboid are. Now for us, given volume of cuboid is 1296 meter cube and length is given as 24 meters and breadth and height are in the ratio 3:2. So breadth we can take it as 3x and height will take it as 2x. Now we know the volume of the cuboid formula is length into breadth into height, L into B into H. So if we substitute in this, x we will get it as 3. Now so b is equal to 3x, so substitute x as 3 in that, so we'll get it as 9 and h will get it as 6 because 2a. So the answer for this is option 3, 9, 6. 97. The area of a circular path is 1570 centimeter square and the radius of the outer circle is 30 centimeters. Then the width of the circular path is, if we consider this is the circular path, okay, now what is given for us, the radius of the outer circle, if we consider this as capital R, that is 30 centimeters, and if this is the small radius, radius of the inner circle, if we consider this, let us consider this as small r. Now we can find out the area of the ring by subtracting the area of the smaller circle from the area of the larger circle. The whole larger circle area, if we subtract from the area of the smaller circle, we will get the area of this ring. So let's do that. So pi r square minus pi r square. First radius we are considering as capital R and the second radius we are considering as small r. So pi is common in that, so pi into r square minus r square. pi is 3.14 into capital R is 30, which is given in the question. So 30 square minus R square. So if we solve this, we will get R as 20 centimeters. Now to find out the width, what we have to do, from this radius we have to remove this radius, then we will get the width of the circular path. So capital R is 30 minus small r, just now we got 20, so width is 10 centimeters. 98. If length of one diagonal of a rhombus whose area is 2025 centimeter square is 27 centimeter, then the length of the second diagonal is, now area of the rhombus formula is half into d1 into d2. So area is given as 2025, that equal to half into d1 is given as 27, d2 we don't know, so from this we have to find out. So d2 we are getting it as 150. Now next one, 99. The base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeters and its perimeter is 32 centimeters. Then its area is in centimeter square. Now if we consider this is an isosceles triangle, base is given as 12. So each will be 6 and 6. And first it's given perimeter is 32 centimeters. Perimeter means sum of the sides of the triangle. So a plus 12 is equal to 32. From this a we will get it as 10 centimeters. Now we got one side and base. Now we have to find the height. Applying Pythagoras theorem, we will find the hypotenuse. So 10 square is equals to 6 square plus h square. So h square you will get it as 64. So h is equals to 8. Now the is half into base into height. That is half into 12 into 8. That is 48 square centimeters. 100th question. The heights of two vertical poles are 34 meters and 10 meters respectively. If the distance between their feet is 32 meters, then the distance between their tops is. Now given for us heights of two vertical poles, one vertical pole, if this is one vertical pole, the height is 34 meters, and the other, if this is a second vertical pole, it is 10 meters, and distance between them is given as 32 meters. So this also will be 32 meters. Now how will get this? Now we have to find the distance between their tops, and we know this is 34 and this is 10. So this area, this will be 34 minus 10. So this will be 34 minus 10, that is 24. Now we know this is 24, this is 32. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we'll get the other one. So x square is equal to 24 plus 34, 24 square plus 32 square. So that is 1600. So x is equal to 40 meters. So answer for us 100th question is option 4, 40 meters. 101. 81 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 5 into 3 to the power of 9 into 64 to the power of 5 by 6 into 3 cube 3 whole to the power of 6 is equals to. Now first 81 we can write it as 3 to the power of 4. Similarly 64 we can write it as 2 to the power of 6, and cube root of 3 we can write it as 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now substitute that, then we'll get the answer as 3 square into 2 to the power of 5. The answer is option 1, 2 to the power of 5 into 3 square. 102. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, then the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. Now given x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, now square on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3 square. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into ab, that is 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 9. So x square plus 1 by x square, you are getting the answer as 7. They are asked to x to the power of 4. So we will square it once again. Then we will get answer as 47. For this, one alternative shortcut is also there. If x square plus 1 by x square means x plus 1 by x is 3, then x square plus 1 by x square will be this 3 square minus which power 2 na? So 3 square minus 2, that is 7. So again we will do this. So x to the power of 1 by 1, x to the power of 4 there has. So 7 square minus 2, that is 47. Now 103. 25x square plus 9y square minus 30xy. So 25x square we can write it as 5x whole to the power of 2 plus 9y we can write it as 3y whole to the power of 2 minus 30 we will write it as 2 into 5 into 3 x into y. So this is the formula of a minus b whole square, where a is 5x, b is 3y. So 5x minus 3y whole square. Answer is option 2, 5x minus 3y whole square. Now 104. If 5,600 amounts to 7,560 in 4 years, The rate of interest per annum is, now principal is given as 5600, amount is given as 7560, time is 4 years. They are asked us to find out the rate of interest. We know interest is amount minus principal, the total amount which is there. From that, if we remove the principal, the one which get is interest. So that is 7560 minus 5600, that is 1960, and simple interest formula is PTR by 100. So simple interest we got it as 1960 equal to principal P 5600 into time 4 years into R, we have to find out by 100. So if we solve this, we'll get R as 8.75%, that is 83 by 4%. Now 105. In a test, 25 questions plus 4 marks are given to every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Lakshmi attempts all questions and gets a score of 76. Then the number of correct answers attempted by her is. Now first, marks for correct answer, let me consider it as 6, that is x, that is equal to plus 4. Now marks for wrong answer, let us consider it as y, that equal to minus 2. Now total score is given as 76. So x plus y, total number of questions, how many they said? 25 questions are there. That is x correct answers, y wrong answers. Totally it should be equals to 25. So x plus y is equal to 25. So this I can say x, for every correct answer you are giving 4 marks. So 4x. For every wrong answer, y is wrong answers, we are removing 2 marks. So 4x minus 2y is equal to total score 76. So no, now so 4x minus 2 into, from the top if I take x plus y is equal to 25, x will be y is equal to 25 minus x. So substitute in that, then you'll get x as 21. Okay, so the answer for this is, that is the number of correct answers attempted by her is 21. 106. The difference between the LCM and HCF of two numbers is 133. If LCM is 20 times HCF and one of the numbers is 35, then the other number is. Now let HCF is equal to x. I consider HCF is 6. So LCM is given as 20. So LCM is equal to 20x, because LCM is given as 20 times HCF. It's given LCM is 20 times HCF. So LCM is equal to 20x. Now given LCM minus HCF is equal to 133. So LCM is 20x minus x is equal to 133. So x you are getting it as 7. Now LCM, how much we will get? What is the LCM? 20 into x, that is 20 into 7, 140, and HCF is equal to x, that is equal to 7. Now what they have given us more, one number is 35, then the other number is, we know product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM into HCF. So a into 35 is equal to 140 into 7. So a you will get it as 28. So answer is option 4, 28. 107. The number of prime numbers the number of prime numbers between 1 to 100 is, in between 1 to 100 the prime numbers are 25. This blindly we can put it, and these are the prime numbers which is given on the right hand side. Now 108. 1 by 10 of a tower is colored green, 120 is colored white, 130 is colored red, and the rest is colored blue. Now if a tower is there, in that 1/10th part is colored green, 1/20th part is colored white, 1/30th part is colored red, and the rest part which is there, that is fully colored as blue. And the length of the blue portion is given as 14 meters 70 centimeters. Then the length of the tower is. Now the remaining part is blue. So if you want blue part, what we can do? 1 minus, add all this, then we will get that remaining blue portion part. The same thing we'll do now. Now the part of the rod colored blue is 1 minus, from the whole one part of the rod, if we remove 110, 120 plus 130, we will get the blue part. So solving this, you will get it as 1 minus 11 by 60, that is 49 by 60. And it is given that blue portion is 14 meters 70 centimeters. So 49/60 of the whole is equals to 14.70. So whole is equal to 14.70 into, if it go there, it gets reverse, 16 by 49, that is 18. So answer is option 4, 18. 109. 4.7 bar. So how we can write it? 47 minus the number before bar, that is 4. Under bar, how many numbers are there? That means 9. So only one bar, so 1 9. 47 minus 4 by 9. So that is 43 by 9. Answer is option 3. 110. Raju and Ramu won a lottery and agreed to share in the ratio of 3:4. If Ramu received 780 as his share, then the total amount they won is, first, 4 by 7th of the amount is equals to 780. Yes or no? Because Raju and Ramu won a lottery and in the ratio of 3:4 they have put it. And Ramu received 780 rupees. So what is the share of Ramu here? 4. So 4 by total is 3 by 4, that is 7. 3 plus 4, that is 7. So 4 by 7 of the total amount is equal to 780. So amount is equal to 780 into 7 by 4, that is 1365. So answer is option 4, 1365. Now, 111. If the cost price of 10 articles is equals to selling price of 8 articles, then the gain or loss percent. For us, it's given that cost price of 10 articles is equals to selling price of 8 articles. So directly we can say that selling price is greater than cost price. So this is a gain. Gain, how will find it? Selling price minus cost price. So 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. Now gain percent is, so 2 by cost price 8 into 100, that is 25% gain. 112. The ratio of perimeters of two squares is 1:2. So 1:2 means how will take it as perimeter 1 is equal to x, let perimeter 2 is equal to 2x. Then the ratio of the areas of that two squares is, so perimeter of a square means sum of the sides of the square. So how many sides? 4 sides. So 4 sides is equal to x. So side 1 will get it as x by 4. Similarly side 2 will get it as 2x by 4, that is x by 2. Now they are asking us to find the area. Now area 1, how will get the square of the side. So x by 4 into x by 4. Similarly area 2, x by 2 into x by 2. That is a1 is to a2 is equal to x by 16 is to x by 4, that equals to 1:4. So answer is option 1, 1:4. Now 113. The angles of the triangle are 2x degrees, 3x plus 5 degrees and 4x minus 14 degrees. Then the smallest angle of the triangle is. We know sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So 2x plus 3x plus 5 plus 4x minus 14 is 180. Solving this, we'll get x as 21. Now let's find all the angles. Angle 1 is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 21, 42. Similarly, now angle 2 is equals to 68, angle 3 is equal to 70. They has the smallest angle. So which is the smallest angle? 42 degrees. Option 4, 42 degrees. Now 114. The angle which is 36 degree more than its complement is. Now we know complement of any angle, how will you get? 90 minus that angle. So they are asking the angle which is 36 degree more than its complement. So its complement is, if we consider x, the complement of x is 90 minus x. So which is more than 36. So plus 36. Now solve this. If this x goes there, 2x, 90 plus 36, 126. So x is equal to 63 degrees. Methodology. Question number 115. Model problem solving lies in which step in writing a period plan? Option 1, presentation and discussion. 2, recapitulation. 3, academic standards that students should achieve. 4, teaching learning material. So answer is option 1, the presentation and discussion. That is, model problem solving is how we are presenting it and how we are discussing it while writing in a period plan. Now 116. Which aid is used in teaching geometrical concepts? Pegboard, geoboard, fractions disk, abacus. Fraction disk and abacus is not used in geometry. Pegboard and geoboard both can be used. So answer is option 1 or option 2. Now 117th question. Which of the following is an example for summative evaluation? 1, assignment. 2, project work. 3, quarterly examination. 4, quiz. Assignment, project work and quiz, all this comes under formative. So summative is option 3, quarterly examination. 118. Which of the following is not the nature of mathematics? 1, discourse. 2, inductive and deductive reasoning. 3, abstraction. 4, accuracy. I think this we can say inductive, deductive is the nature of mathematics. Abstraction is also a nature. Accuracy is also a nature. Which is not a nature? Discourse. 119. Man needs to rely on mathematics in his real life situations to collect the details of population census, land measurements, natural resources, etc. Thus, mathematics has this value: cultural value, aesthetic value, information value, preparatory value. So for all this, what is required for us? Information is required. So answer is option 3, information value. 120. Which teaching method is useful for verification of principles? 1. Activity based method, 2. Inductive method, 3. Synthetic method, or 4. Deductive method. So answer for this is 4, deductive method, because while teaching the method we need a deductive method to verify the principles. By this we have completed all the questions of mathematics. Meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.